Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and to round off Baketember, I am making a classic Christmas cranberry cake. I've got my sweater on, so if you guys like Christmas cake, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So in front of me, I have all the ingredients that I need to make this Christmas cranberry cake. I have this big bowl of sugar. To that, I'm gonna add eggs, and I'm gonna whisk these up really well. I'm using a handheld mixer. You can also use a stand mixer, but whatever your preference is. All right, and you wanna make sure and whisk this up really well because this ingredient doesn't have any baking soda or baking powder, so this is what's gonna make it rise. All right, that looks perfect. It's nice and pale yellow, and also the mixture kind of doubled in size. So next, what you want to do is add your melted butter. I think mine was a little too melted, and vanilla. And then give this a good mix. All right, that looks perfect. Whoops. A little bit of a mess, but now I'm gonna go ahead and take these off because we are done with it. And then we're gonna just slowly add in the flour. And then my butter was unsalted, so I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt. But if you use salted butter, forget about this step. I'm just gonna use a spatula and fold in the butter because we don't want to over mix. All right, so that looks perfect. You see there's no dry flour, and I didn't overmix it. That's the biggest point of that. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in my fresh cranberries. Just fold it in again, and as soon as all of it's mixed in, you are ready to go. So I've also got a pan over here that I've lined with aluminum just to make it easier. If you guys saw my brownie recipe, all you do is kind of lift it up, and then you can chop it in little squares. So that's why I did that. And I also sprayed it with a little nonstick spray. All right, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my pan. And in a 300-degree oven, you're just gonna bake this for about 45 to 50 minutes. I usually just put a toothpick right in the middle, and if it comes out clean, then I know it's done. All right, guys, it's been about 45 minutes. I actually checked the cake at about 42, 43 minutes, and it was perfect. So right here, I put a toothpick right in the middle, and it came out clean. And it's nice and brown, lightly brown on the top. And this is the best part of using aluminum foil. You just lift it right up, peel off the sides, and look at that. You can cut perfect squares. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try a little on the side here and show you guys the middle of this. Oh, look at that. The cranberries are nice and melted right inside. Nice and moist inside too. So let's go ahead. Whew, it's gonna be really hot. So good. It's really sweet, but then the cranberries add a little tartness to it, so it's a perfect combination. So if you guys like these types of cakes where it's nice and fluffy, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.